Okay, so I just read about this new Gradle plugin for something called Elide, and it's totally changing the way we compile Java. Wait, what?
Right? Elide acts like a supercharged JavaC. It can make Java compilation up to 20 times faster. That's just wild.
No way. How does it do that? I mean, we're talking about skipping JIT warmup, right?
Exactly. It avoids that entire warm-up phase by using native images. It's like you're bypassing the initial sluggishness right from the start.
That's brilliant. So by shimming JavaC, you're actually boosting performance significantly. But what about dependency resolution?
Oh, that part is equally impressive. Elide fetches dependencies in a native image using a checked-in lock file, so it's super optimized.
Wait, did you say a lock file? Like it manages dependencies more efficiently? That changes everything.
For sure, it mimics Maven's behavior but faster. When Gradle resolves dependencies, they're already on disk, so it skips the network hassle.
That's totally convenient. It's like having a pre-built library right at your fingertips, ready to go.
Exactly. And you get to activate this by just using an elide.pkl manifest that lists all your Maven dependencies.
I mean, that's a game changer for productivity. But I can't believe they still consider this experimental. Is it stable?
Good question. It's in beta, so they advise caution. Testing is crucial, and bugs are still being ironed out.
This makes me rethink the whole compilation experience. What if other languages adopted this native approach?
Oh wow, that would be a huge shift. Imagine a world where Python or JavaScript could compile like this.
Right? It would revolutionize development efficiency across the board. I wonder how other ecosystems would respond.
Well, they might need to adapt their tooling for such performance advancements. Maybe even rethink their compilation strategies.
So, leveraging Elide's capabilities could trigger a whole wave of innovation. That's such a cool thought.
Exactly. And projects with fewer than 10,000 classes see those enhancements more directly. That's pretty specific.
It really gets me thinking about optimizing smaller projects. They could benefit a lot from Elide.
Totally. And for developers working on large-scale applications, they'd really feel the performance boosts.
So what do developers need to set this up? It can't be too complex, right?
Not at all. You just install Elide, create that JavaC shim, and you're pretty much set up to use it with Gradle.
That sounds pretty straightforward. And I like the idea of using Elide's tools instead of Gradle's default ones.
Exactly. Plus, the Elide runtime supports multiple languages too. Kotlin, Python, TypeScript. It's super versatile.
Wow, now I kind of want to explore how it handles non-Java languages. It feels like such a full toolkit.
Right? It's a unified approach to language support. I can imagine a lot of developers would appreciate that flexibility.
So if this works well, Elide could potentially redefine how we think about multi-language applications.
Definitely. Think about how projects could easily integrate different languages without performance loss.
This raises so many possibilities. I wonder how long it will take mainstream to fully embrace this.
That's a great point. It usually takes time for experimental tech to hit the mainstream, especially if there are bugs.
Yeah, it's like sailing through uncharted waters. Exciting, but you have to be careful.
So if we tie this all together, it seems Elide not only speeds up compilation, but also inspires new developments.
Exactly. A fresh look at how we can optimize development processes across various ecosystems.
Here's a thought. What if Elide inspires a new wave of plugin-centered development tools?
That would be fascinating. It's like each development environment could evolve in ways we don't expect.
Wait, I need to read more about their roadmap. I'm curious how they plan to expand functionalities.
Same here. But for now, I'm excited just thinking about the implications of this kind of tool.
Right? It feels like we're on the brink of something really innovative, just waiting for wider adoption.
Let's keep tabs on this. I'm eager to see how Elide influences the future of software development.
Absolutely. It's going to be a thrilling journey to follow. Who knows what other surprises are in store?